Sir, you are not audible.
Okay, you will be out of many legal issues because many people have been facing legal issues in some of their places because their downlines have made some wrong commitments, have taken the money in the bank account or in their hand, and they are now having trouble. So we have a token. We did stop EPT to EPT just to make sure that we, with the ECN, when we start with the ECN and we are going to start in joining with the ECN, and everybody now needs ECN. I mean, you have Bitcoin, you have Tron, you have Ethereum, and you have ECN for the joinings. Here you pay 1% fee for converting your asset to EPT and to activate the package. Here you have 0% fee. You can convert it to EPT and you can activate the package. Now every day we have like this much big business every day, 6 to 7. Can you imagine how much sales of ECN will go on the exchange automatically? And nobody sell nothing when your price goes up. Nobody sell nothing. And we have already stopped the bleeding part. We already made sure that people should not dump at loss. And this is the main purpose that in just last 2 Zoom sessions, ECN price went from 0.37 cents to 0.93 cents. And you have seen so many people purchasing because these people are in huge profit today. They purchased at $0.4 yesterday. They have like already made 267% because they know that from Monday, the only way they can put the account in the system is through ECN. So EPT to EPT, which is a major challenge for legalities for you guys, for basically your downlines, because you are collecting the money from the market for a dollar rate and ECN is growing down. The person will complain that I have given him the money. Where will you go? What will you do? People are selling EPT for the lesser price in a different legs. You remember the time when people were buying the EPT for 83, 84 rupees for the higher prices, even because the availability was not there in the market. Now there is no availability for nothing available in the market. From Monday, all the packages will be activated in the cryptocurrencies only. And because of 0% of fees of conversion, people will go and buy ECN. Or they can convert their EPT to ECN and do it. Well, how are you going to do it? Let me tell you. Suppose I am Kern and I have 5,000 EPT in my wallet, in my master wallet. I had 2 options before, transfer and withdrawal. Now transfer is not working. So I'll put my withdrawal in ECN. Let's say 1 ECN is $1. I'll get 5,000 ECN in my TronLink Pro wallet. And I have to activate someone else's account. Instead of EPT, I'll open his TronLink Pro wallet. I'll transfer, let's say I have to open Crusader package. I'll transfer 3150, keeping that's just $1, 3150 to this wallet. He will have 3150 ECN. 1 ECN is, let's say, example, $1. And then he will transfer it to eOracle. Right? And with the 0% fees, his account will be activated. It is the same process with is the EPT process. But this was not monitored on blockchain. This was not helping you in creating more wallets. And people, they don't do this in loss. But people, they do this in loss. So you are out of the loss. People will not sell the ECN in loss in the market because they realize that this is the product they can use for the activation. If you have withdrawal 5,000 value of ECN and your ECN value is $4,000, neither you will sell nor you will withdraw nor you will give it to no one. You will say, at least let me have $5,000 worth of ECN to give it to someone. So you got holders, you got transactions, you got people having ECN in their wallets, and you got activations. And what the main solution is that you have already seen, you have seen this chart, and you have seen this, it's here right now. Without nothing, so far we have not even started taking the ECN back, and we have no supply. Only 2.4% of ECN in the market, which is 270 multiplied by 2.4%, approximately 1% is 2.7, 5.4. Many people have sold. Let's say 5 million ECN is in the market. One ECN price was $0.5. 2.5 million ECN is in the market. That is even lesser. Let's keep the $1. This is even lesser than your daily volume. There is no supply. In just one day, this will be over. Probably many people, now people will not sell ECN. Nobody will sell ECN. You're gonna see it yourself. Who will sell the ECN when the price is going up? People will not gonna give it to the other people, because EPT is $1. It doesn't grow. It doesn't grow. It will remain $1, but this thing has grown 267% in 24 hours. Looking at this fact, who will sell? And you have demand every day. You have just closed your bleeding also. There's no bleeding. So there is no extra ECN or EPT available in the market, which ensure your price correction mechanism. Every day, demand is approximately 5 to 6 million, and supply is after 1 or 2 days or 3 days, once this supply will be over, this supply, let me change the color, it will be easier. Once this supply will be over, right, you have this much of demand, and where is the supply? You will see only buyers. Organically, ECN, you're gonna see from here, just give it a month. There is no problem looking it at $2, $3, or $4. And no doubt, organically, without having no, wrong things attached to it, in 1 year, your ECN will be $100 bare minimum. And you will see this, just give it 2 weeks time. You have seen the action already. And if you don't know the action already, I can show you go to the JustSwap, check the action. So look at the groups. Even the price right now is 0.8, let's say $0.9. The people who sold the ECN, they're gonna regret, because trust me, by Tuesday, it will be more than $1.5. You will see yourself, because more buying is gonna come automatically. Automatically it's gonna come. So the people who are buying right now, or who bought at 0.7 cent or 0.6 cents or 0.5 cents, you have seen they have already made 2 or 3 times of their money. Because there is no other option. This is going to be on a very bigger scale, because the moment you have your ECN grow, your business automatically grows. Your position grows, you get out of the challenges, and this is what your target is. Automatically, you don't have to say nothing. People will join just to see the graph. They're gonna come to you automatically. And you are having your roadmap, you are pulling it out, and I promised you, you have to wait for a year or 2 to be millionaire in ECN. It's like any other currency. And we need to come up with the price correction mechanism that everybody was looking forward to. All these downlines, they have been asking forward for this. So we need to have some price correction mechanism. And the best price mechanism is staking. your 10% which you are taking in a month, that will be bigger than your 100% on stake. And you're going to see it because everything I have said has happened. Look at the price after 1 year. Can you understand this phenomena, please? Can you understand what I'm trying to say, please? 500 people understood, 600, 700, 800. Thank you. The basic phenomena is this is the basic phenomena for any product. This is the basic phenomenon. We are qualifying for indexes. We are starting with our Binance Bridge. In next 10 days, we're going to have the Binance Smart Chain. You can go for yield farming, staking. The payway is coming. The huge roadmap that we have, the dream that we have, the growth that we have. We look into that growth. We look into those dreams. And here we are dying without it. We are dying without it. You cannot hold you to be closed. You cannot. So it's important that the people with the right mindset, with the people in the market coming today, because you need your immunity. If you are on top rank, you need immunity, and the people at the bottom rank need opportunity to perform and to also make the fortune. And the people, I promise, from this box, you're gonna make the maximum benefit. Trust me, you're gonna see it. And you have seen the action in the last 48 hours, and just see in what happened next week. Just see that. Because you're gonna only see price growing high like crazy. $5, $10 is like nothing. Only holders, only people helping people with the ECN. Because you need to kill this. You need to kill this. If you don't kill this, you will be in trouble. This is not right. In this situation, when you can see your ECN is going down, if you keep this option open, it may be good for some personal reasons, but not good for where you're gonna end. What important is the end result, your journey, how you have completed your journey, you have been a successful journey, you have a bad journey. What important is the end result. That's all required. People, they look at the end result. They don't care what you done, how you have done, they don't care. This is gonna kill you with the current situation, because everybody will take $1 for one ECN, and people will sell ECN for minus 40%, 50% on the exchange, and gonna dump on the new people. So instead of doing it, it's the same thing, peer-to-peer, wallet to wallet, do ECN to ECN. Do wallet to wallet, ECN to ECN, and show me if somebody sells it for the lesser price. Nobody will do it. Because here, they are getting the full value. This is why they will not repeat here. They will not sell in loss here. Because you cannot do changes every day. It has to be a proven model. It has to be a working model, right? So it's like only demand, and where is supply? Where is supply? No supply. The people who have ECN in their wallet, they are watching it growing. You don't sell growing asset. When the dumpers, when they will see it growing, they will not sell either, because they are thinking that let's not dump, let's hold for a longer time. And all you need is this. This is a free business for you. If you have this graph, you have a free business. You are out of all the questions from the market. And the moment you have this graph where you have given, this is your principal amount and this is your current situation. you have all the challenges here, all the challenges, and you are already here. By the way, let me remind you, this is your position. Minus, then your investment. Already you are on the minus y-axis. The moment you're going to drop more, you're out of the game, my friend. You are not even here. If you would have been here, we would have not been worried about you. But many people, they don't care with your disposition also. So it's important that you are here, you came down here, and from here you see a jump. This is your future, this is your business. This is your safety, this is your immunity, this is your success. This is the only thing you can do. Sacrifices made sometimes, but you have to take the right decisions at the right time. All right. Well, also, I would not try, I'll do a Zoom tomorrow. Okay. But let me give you two news. One news that your ECN wallet will take approximately 3 to 4 more days as per the technical team to integrate. The problem is how to do the activation. If you can withdraw in ECN, and then if ECN wallet is not available at eOracle, then what will you do? So for next 72 hours, your EPT to EPT transaction is open. For 72 hours, it is open. The money you have in your master wallet, you can send it to someone else's master wallet for 72 hours, so that this is the relief, because everybody was crying that I have the money, I have taken the money from the leader, from here, I have promised. Okay, so you can do wallet to wallet, and this is only for 72 hours just to make sure that you fulfill your commitment you have in the market. The reason is not because of we want to do it, because it is going to take 3 to 4 days to get implemented. For 3 to 4 days, you can do it. Master wallet to master wallet transactions and do the activations. Yes, the withdrawal is deactivated this week, because we want people, because everybody is saying they have taken the money, they have done this, they have done this. And because ECN is not right now, wallet is available, we will open the withdrawal in middle of next week. When we have the ECN wallet ready, people can take the ECN, they can convert, they can take out the ECN, they can do peer-to-peer ECN, and they can deposit the ECN for the ID activation. For 72 hours, your master wallet to master wallet is active. You can show that you can, you can solve the problem which you're currently having with the people. You have accepted the money, you have taken the money, or you have given the EPTs. This is point number 1. Point number 2, yesterday was 1st of June. Okay. The other problem which we would like to address also, which will give you a lot of relief, go back 48 hours previous. Okay, 48 hours previous. If the people who have purchased EPTs, let's say, let me exactly give you the date. (29th) closing. 29th, after cutoff time. After cutoff time till 30th and 1st cutoff time. Okay, 48 hours. If you have transactions, you have purchased some EPTs, or you have collected some EPTs for someone's behalf. If you have bought the EPTs, but because of your activation was before 31st of the March, all the EPTs has already gone into Smart Stake wallet. If you are in this box, if you have transactions in your account on these dates, please raise support ticket. give them the transaction proof that you have purchased the EPT and your EPT is logged in staking Smart Stake wallet, they will release your EPTs. The transaction has to be in between the 29th of June till the 1st of July, 48 hours. You have to raise your ticket, provide your transaction screenshot that I have purchased EPT from this user. You can see my purchase was today or yesterday and my wallet is logged. So I am unable to convert, or I have taken the money, I have to give the EPT. For all these cases, for the 48 hours, if you are here in terms of transaction, raise your ticket, provide your transaction proof, and they will unlock that amount of EPT from a staking wallet, that transaction amount of EPT, and they will give it to you in your master wallet, which you can use wallet to wallet transfer, and you can use for the activation. Because people are saying that they got for activation. Nobody told me they got it for withdrawal, for activations. 72 hours, you have enough time. If you have lost some EPTs, recently purchased EPTs, because of you were not having the idea and your EPT has been staked, raise ticket, provide your transaction screenshot. You have to make sure that your transaction cannot be older than 29th of June. You have to make sure, otherwise it will not be honored. You provide your transaction screenshot, that amount which is in your transaction history will be released to your master wallet for 72 hours only. Your wallet to wallet transfer is open. Okay, your money, your income today, income coming tomorrow, income coming day after tomorrow also will in your master wallet. Okay, you fulfill your commitments in the market, fulfill your problems in the market. You are not on anyhow losing side, and get ready from Tuesday for next bull run. This is a perfect time to buy ECN, because no way you're gonna see it at roaring $10 in front of your eyes very soon. And please check the price every 2 hours, 3 hours, you will realize it. If you have seen the activity in last 48 hours, because only 154 people were knowing it. Now 3,000 people are knowing it on this Zoom. These 3,000 people will tell it to 30,000 people. Even if you buy now for $1, let's say you bought for $10,000, you got 10,000 ECN. By the activation, when somebody need money by Wednesday in your team, the price is, let's say 12,000, you already got $2,000 extra, which you will not get with the EPT. Try and understand, you're gonna make a lot of money without risk, without liability. And your ECN will be something to watch. So get ready, my friends, all the decisions which has been taken, because you were in this position, you are here, and this is your deadline. Let's say you are about to reach, because of few reasons, as I have told you, because people are selling it, they are receiving at this price, but they are, selling it at, like they're receiving at this price, but selling at this price is unbearable. And we cannot, ignore that, because the moment you're gonna be here, you have no answers. You're done for the business, completely fine, over. So this action is going to give you recovery. You have seen the recovery already. It's not theory. You have seen the recovery already. And in just 24 hours, you have seen this recovery. Okay, imagine 24 days, imagine 24 months. And you can see this, just watch it for 30 days. And you will be in this position. Everybody will be making profit, and all the stakeholders will make the maximum profit because they will get the higher rates on the ECN. All right, and you're already here. You're already done the halfway down in just 24 hours. Get ready for the new start, big start, and the amazing start. Everybody will grow. Everybody will be growing. Even the people here, these people will also grow. They will grow a lot because you are growing, because you are being a part of staking, and the price is moving outside very big. This group will grow. This group will grow. This group is the most growing group because they are the immortals, they are the stakeholders, they are the shareholders. This is the most they will be, because they have their 50% income going to the staking. They will be the most benefit position. You have to sometimes think after one day. You have to sometimes think what happened after a week. You have to sometimes think what happened after a month. This is the most beneficial for them. And because of all these things that we are doing, we have our real people, our new people, our working people growing. So everybody grow together. And with together efforts, with everything, nobody is losing nothing, my friend, nothing. Yes, if you don't do this, don't forget this, okay? Just remember this image. You will be here and you lose everything. So if you have any doubt in your mind, just look around, check yourself what is going on. This is your current situation. This is 0-0, no profit, no loss. You're already in loss. Your investors are in loss. From here, very soon you will be here. So take your decisions accordingly and then complain to the people. Right? Well, I don't know why you people get confused. I have already written immortal rank here. Did I write Titan? Did I write Conqueror? Did I write anything else? What I write is the only thing which is written here. It's not about the other ranks, because these people are the pioneer people. These people are the builders. They are building the system for you. Their contribution is more important. Their contribution is more big. So you have got all the answers. You understood the reason behind it. You have to make sure that if you are in the middle of your journey, whether you are a ship or you are a plane, you have to be making sure that you have to avoid the, basically you have to make sure that you have to, if you have a hole, your water is going out, you have to fix that hole so that you can reach to your destination. Recently, from last 4 weeks, the performance of the token is a indication, is a proper indication. Open your eyes and see a proper indication that you will be sitting on a position very soon where you have no answer for no one, no downline. You cannot answer downline, you cannot answer investors. You will be only watching the legal issues. Let's join together, let's fight together, let's run together, because we have to reach to the destination. This price correction, this staking is a big tool you're gonna realize. And I'm not saying, just see what happened. Why people are not selling at 0.8 cents now? Why they were selling at 0.5 cents before? Why? Why not now? Why the price is sustaining? Do you understand why the price is sustaining? Why it was not sustaining before? Why it went down from 0.8? Why people are not dumping it now? They have very less coin to dump, by the way. If they dump, let them dump. They can dump for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. But after that, what you gonna dump? You have nothing to dump. Every single dumper, every single person who is working against the community, working against the project, I cannot let them happen. I'm sorry. You cannot kill people dream, you cannot kill people life, you cannot kill people vision, you cannot kill their value in market. You cannot ask them to go to the police station after some time. I cannot let this happen, I'm sorry. Yes, it's a hard step, understand problems, understand, but if you look at a whole, you are moving towards somewhere where you grow, your team member grow, your market grow, your project become, and if ECN grows for next 6 months, you will be having an immortal company. Your company will be immortal for forever. Just let it go for just 6 months. All right, so this was the main purpose. And why did we not intimate before? Because this cannot be intimated. Sorry, cannot be intimated. I'm not saying that you would have done something wrong, but yes, people would have been taking out the money from their wallet, sending it to the new registered wallet. There are some people who have done it. They're gonna see the results tomorrow when their accounts are going to be blocked after the instructions. Few people who come to know. And this is not a time to text me when I'm on a Zoom. Kranti, don't do it. Right? Reach out to your immortals. They have already got this information. Check with them if you have any confusion. Anything you want to check with them. Only the immortals have 50% on staking. Other accounts, their SMB is going on staking only with 10% withdrawal. Otherwise not. And also let me tell you from today, mark my words, okay? You can take a screenshot, take a video for this. You will see 80% people not withdrawing after 2 months because their 5% income, which is coming in APY, will be bigger in their withdrawal because the growth of ECN, you're gonna watch yourself. Everything depends upon ECN, your future, your investors payout, your payout, everything depends on ECN. Anything, ECN going down, you're not done. So that is the thing for today. We got everyone together. Everyone is doing their Zoom sessions, and we have already seen the action. Get ready to see the action from Tuesday or Monday. As soon as your wallet will be ready, buy ECN for your teams. You will see a big growth. It's really the time to buy because ECN will not look back again in terms of prices because huge demand is there already. You already have a lot of business to log in. How will you log in? Ask yourself. You will be needing the ECN. You can convert your EPT to ECN. You can do it. So when you're gonna convert your EPT to ECN, probably the price will be $1, $2. So take it for your teams because you're gonna need it for their activation. It's a peer-to-peer transaction. The same you do EPT to EPT, but here you can have the better rates. All right, so tomorrow there will be one more Zoom, same thing, but tomorrow we will talk about the roadmap of ECN development. We will talk about the roadmap on how to do it. 2 things I have told you. Withdrawal button is closed because withdrawal button will open when we have the ECN wallet available. You have your EPT to EPT, master wallet to master wallet open for 72 hours to fulfill your commitments that you have. And if you have your transactions of master wallet from 29th of June to the 1st of July, and that transaction is also gone on staking, smart stake, raise a support ticket. Don't think they're gonna answer right now. Give them 24 hours. They will ask you for the transaction screenshot and they will release that amount from a staking wallet to your master wallet so that you can fulfill your commitments. And sometimes it is important to not think about I and me. Think about we. Because with we, I is already included. And I received calls from few people from yesterday till today, and it's very sad that they have taken the I word. I. You know, sir, I just this. Give me some time. I. They are not thanking that what they have achieved so far. When you say we, you have I, you, everyone together. All right. So thank you so much, everyone. I believe this Zoom has been very much helpful for you to understand about the changes. You will be able to make your team understand about the changes. We are together. This is done for the benefit, for the growth of the new people who have joined us. We have already achieved so much in our life in the system. Let them a chance to improve. Let them a chance to grow, because they grow, we grow. It's very simple. They grow, we grow automatically. If we stop these new joinings, new people to grow, you stop. You stop yourself. So your new team, new people, new business is the engine which is carrying you also. Let them a chance to make money. We are making money any which ways. So thank you so much. Tomorrow, one more Zoom with the 10,000 people. We will have more attendance here. And it's your duty to make everyone explain yourself. It's your duty. Please do it. And be ready for the next ECN bull run. You have already seen the price action. Just wait and watch and just see what happened tonight, what happened tomorrow. I'm interested. I'm excited to see what happened in next 24, 48 hours in ECN, because I have given information to 3,000 people who understand that from Monday they need ECN for the logins. Why not buying it at lesser price and making money here also with a bigger price? So thank you so much, everyone. You have got a little bit of relaxation window so that, also you can take 2 days of EPTs, which has gone to the staking, write a support ticket. They will give it back to you. If it is a 2 days old transaction, make out your commitment. Our task is not to put you in trouble. Our task is not to give you pain. Our task is not to leave you alone with problems. Our task is to make you grow, and we are working in the very same direction, even on the cost of loss of business. So with this thinking, we are together. I wish you a very wonderful night ahead, evening ahead. See you tomorrow again. I'll run 10 Zoom sessions, 10 day, again and again. Anyone who is able, you explain them. Anyone who is not able to understand, bring to the Zoom. I'll do it myself. I'll make everybody understand. I'm there with you. You just have to make sure every day you write these points, be with your team, and after my session, duplicate your session. That's all you have to do. Just what you learn, if you even take 40% of the notes and you run your Zoom sessions after my session, everything will be covered in 10 days, and you will be in a position where you will be only looking in one direction, where you are moving. That's going to happen. So thank you so much. And I really apologize if due to any reason you have had some problems, but it's the responsibility for the immortals. Reach out to your immortals in your team. If you don't get their replies, if you have an access to Titan or Conqueror, if they have access to me, or send a screenshot on the support ticket that you are trying to reach to your immortal and your immortal is not replying. It's an open option. Titan or Immortal or Crusader, any of your upline. If you have some confusion, if you're calling them or if you're texting them, and if they are not replying, take a screenshot of it, send it to the support ticket. They'll make sure that your upline should help you with your situation, should make you understand about it. The way I'm performing my task, everybody has to perform their task. If we just duplicate it, there is no chaos in the market. So I believe. Thank you so much. By the end of the day, we have been at a good point, and we have been in a situation. I would like to see your hands before I go. So take care, everyone. I'm just making sure that, sometimes you take this decision, but it is important to take the right decision at the right time without delay, because if you don't do them, you are not taking a decision. Not taking a decision is actually taking a bad decision. So little bit of pain, no problem. We are together. After some time, we will have a bright sky and everybody will be happy. It's just the mindset that we need to change. And please, everybody hold ECN. You will regret after 1 year, after 2 years. You will regret. The people who sold at the 40 cents, 50 cents, by the way, they are already regretting. That's how powerful things are. It's moving to $1.90. The people are thinking, why did I sell for 40 cents? I must wait. So we're gonna get this mindset in the people that I should not do it today. It's growing, let's wait. And that's what people did who are billionaire today, they wait, right? It's not a project for a month. But yes, few errors like this, few circumstances like this, kill your system, right? So thank you so much. Have a wonderful evening, my friends, and you take care. Please make your people understand that's your responsibility now. And thank you so much. Everybody should take care of their responsibility, and we are not gonna look back. ECN will go in one direction in between X and Y axis very fast. See the action. Thank you so much. Good luck, good night. See you tomorrow.